Political controversy erupted in Himachal Pradesh after the Himachal Road Transport Corporation issued notices to a driver and conductor of an HRTC bus travelling from Shimla to Sanjauli. The incident stemmed from a passenger listening to a video critical of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on their phone. Republic has spoken exclusively to the conductor Seshram Thakur, who confirmed that no such evidence was found during the probe. Listen in to the reactions that's coming in on that story.
उस दिन कुछ नहीं हुआ जी, ये 1 तारीख की बात बता रहे हैं और मेरे तो ये ध्यान में भी बात नहीं है आज तक कि भाई ये जो इसमें मामला मेरी बस का है। और एक व्यक्ति ने शिकायत की होनी मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में, और मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय से जो हमारे प्रबंध निदेशक महोदय को एक लेटर आया होना, और उससे जो है हमारे क्षेत्रीय प्रबंधक जी को लेटर आया। तो उस लेटर का हमने स्पष्टीकरण नहीं दिया, उस लेटर को कुछ नहीं था, जो विभाग की तरफ से कोई होता है नॉर्मल लेटर वैसा दिया गया। तो उसका हमने जवाब दिया है कि हमारी बस में ऐसा कोई ऑडियो क्लिप तो मेरे ध्यान में ना मैंने सुना है और ना ही हमारी बस में बजा है जी।
नहीं, पर आरोप जो लगाया गया था उसमें जो शिकायत की गई थी वो ये थी कि एक ऑडियो क्लिप है वो सुनाया गया और उस ऑडियो क्लिप में आप लोगों को निर्देश दिए गए कि किसी भी तरह का जो डिबेट है वो सरकारी बस में नहीं सुनना है। क्या इस तरह के आदेश पहले भी दिए गए हैं?
नहीं, ऐसे आदेश तो विभाग के हैं, पहले भी आदेश है कि सरकारी बस में हम न चलाएं। तो हमारी तरफ से तो कोई भी हमने वैसा कोई प्रदेश सरकार या जो इसमें लिखा है शिकायत में लिखा है कि जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है श्री राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ जो ऑडियो चलाया, तो ये जो शिकायतकर्ता ने माना है, मेरी शिकायतकर्ता से बात भी हुई थी, शिकायतकर्ता ने माना है कि जो यह मेरी गलती है और ये जो है उस दूसरी सीट में जो व्यक्ति बैठा था उसने अपने मोबाइल में लगाया हुआ था। लगाया था जी, ऐसा उसने बोला मेरे साथ।
अच्छा, नहीं लगाया था ऑडियो, मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि
उसने ही बोला, परंतु मेरे ध्यान में ना मेरे को सुनाई दिया ना किसी और। सॉरी ने मैं टिकटें बना रहा था, आगे पीछे जाके टिकटें बनाना पड़ती है, तो ना मेरे ध्यान में तो ये बात ही नहीं है कि वैसे मेरी गाड़ी में मेरे ध्यान में कोई भी नहीं है कि मेरी ये गाड़ी में जो है बजा। उसका कहना है, शिकायतकर्ता का कहना है।
नहीं, जब आपको ये इस तरह की कंप्लेंट मिली, जब आपसे स्पष्टीकरण मांगा गया, तो क्या लगा आपको कि इस तरह की शिकायत होनी चाहिए या इस तरह की क्या शिकायत है जिस पे आपसे स्पष्टीकरण मांगा गया? नहीं,
चलो इसमें ऐसा होता है कि अगर कोई आदमी प्रदेश सरकार को शिकायत करता है तो प्रदेश सरकार के जो अधिकारी है, ये जो है ये जिस सेक्टर का जो मामला है वो छानबीन ओनली, ये कोई बड़ा इशू नहीं था, ये छानबीन के लिए जो है ये लिखा गया था कि उसमें ये तो फिर जैसे मीडिया में उछला उस करके ये ज़्यादा इशू बना है सर।
Lalit joins me live from Shimla on the story. Lalit, first the samosas, then the Khatakhat model failure, and now this bizarre notice that the Congress government in Himachal has issued to this conductor in a bus which allegedly played an anti-Rahul Gandhi audio. What is it in that notice that the Congress officials have sent to this conductor of the bus?
If you talk about the controversy right now, basically from the past couple of months, it seems that controversy in Himachal Pradesh is directly connecting to the Sukhu government. And one more controversy which now has erupted is on the HRTC notice which has been given to the driver and conductor. To talk more on this right now with us is the MD of the HRTC bus, Mr. Rohan Chand. Rohanji, just wanted to know, another controversy has erupted in the HRTC. A notice has been given to the driver and conductor over the audio clip. What is the whole matter regarding this?
Let me say one thing very clearly. There is no controversy. The matter has been inquired into and closed. So there is no controversy, number one. The controversy, if at all, for which this matter went very viral on social media was the quality of language used by that concerned officer in issuing the notice. That is what caught everyone's attention. We have spoken to the concerned officer. He is the DDM of the Shimla local unit. And yes, the quality of drafting was not up to the mark. He has been reprimanded. He has been advised in a written, in verbally, and very soon a written advisory will also be issued to him. That's it. We get many complaints. We get many complaints since we are all ferrying 6 lakh people every day in our buses. We ply 3,200 buses and we are the lifeline of Himachal Pradesh. It's a customer related business, so of course complaints do come, And this is a routine complaint. Of course, the quality of the language in the notice should have been much better.
You have agreed that the quality of the language which have been used in the notice was not up to the mark. Do you think that if any such audio clips are being played in the HRTC bus, in the government buses, so the drivers and the conductors are liable for that? Is there any guidelines for that?
We don't play any audio clips in our buses. Let me say, that's my whole point, that the complaint has been found baseless. We don't, in most of our buses, we don't even have a stereo system. In some of the latest buses, there is a public address system which is used at the time of an emergency, if at all. But yes, at any given time in a bus, there are 35 to 40 people. They are all on social media. They're listening to various things on their phone. Some of them don't have earplugs. And so you often hear things from somebody's phone who's sitting right next to you. That is a possibility. Anyway, the what was alleged in the complaint was that it was being played in the bus. Not at all. It was not being played. Matter has been filed.
The question arises that if something is played in the bus, so are the conductors and the drivers liable? Any guidelines for regarding that?
It's very clear. It's very clear. If you are listening to something on your phone, we have no control over that. Yes, if something is being played on the stereo of the bus, for that definitely we have very clear instructions that you should not be. Nobody plays it. But if at all something is played on it, you are not supposed to play it at all in the first place. So that is a separate issue. So I don't see where the issue is. The issue is very clearly that the complaint was found baseless.
Achha, one more thing. Do you think that the complaint which was being filed, that complaint is baseless? Would any action be taken against that person who has filed that complaint?
The point is this: the person did not complain to us. The complaint was made directly to the office of the Chief Minister. It came in routine. These complaints in an administrative system work like that they come down to the concerned office. Now, the concerned office was the RM Shimla local office. He has conveyed to us that the matter is not worth examining further. We will convey this to the Chief Minister's office.
So the probe has already initiated, and now it was found that in the inquiry that the complaint was baseless. But yes, the row which erupted in the Himachal Pradesh was on the language which was being used in that notice. So regarding that, action would be taken against that concerned officer also. But yes, if we talk about in the past couple of months, number of controversies, number of row has been erupted in the state government, which include the samosa controversy or the Toilet Act controversy, and now another was the HRTC notice which was being sent to the driver and conductor. Back to the studio.
Right, Lalit. Thank you for sharing with us all those updates. We're also getting in a reaction from the BJP, which has now hit out at the Congress government for their misplaced priorities. Listen in to the reactions coming in from the BJP.
तो ये है प्राथमिकता हिमाचल प्रदेश की सुक्खू सरकार की। अर्थव्यवस्था जो है वो डूबती जा रही है, कंगाली की ओर हिमाचल प्रदेश बढ़ता जा रहा है, टॉयलेट पर टैक्स लगा रहा है, वहां पर जो वादे किए गए हैं वो पूरे नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, महिलाएं असुरक्षित है, पर कभी समोसे की जांच और अब जांच किसकी हो रही है, डिबेट कौन सी देखी जा रही है। जी हां, एचआरटीसी की बस में एक व्यक्ति राहुल गांधी पर डिबेट देख रहा था। उस डिबेट में शायद आचार्य प्रमोद जी और बाकी लोग थे, वो कुछ कह रहे थे राहुल गांधी के बारे में। ये दूसरे व्यक्ति को नागवार गुजरी तो सीएम ऑफिस कंप्लेंट कर दिया और अब सीएमओ ने जांच बैठाई है, वहां पर जांच हो रही है एचआरटीसी के कंडक्टर और ड्राइवर की कि भाई कौन सी डिबेट चल रही थी, कौन सी डिबेट देखी जा रही थी। ये है प्राथमिकता हिमाचल प्रदेश की सरकार की, कांग्रेस की। ये खटाखट मॉडल जो है ना, ये हिमाचल, कर्नाटका, तेलंगाना को बर्बाद करके रख देगा। तीनों जगह जहां पर भी कांग्रेस की सरकार आई वहां पर लूट, महंगाई मचाई और अर्थव्यवस्था को कंगाली की ओर ले जाए। और अब वहां पर अर्थव्यवस्था पर ध्यान देने के बदले, कानून व्यवस्था पर ध्यान देने के बदले कभी समोसे पर जांच, कभी टॉयलेट पर टैक्स। कर्नाटका में देखें तो सारे पैसे खत्म हो गए, लूट और झूठ की सरकार चल रही है। खुद के विधायक बोल रहे हैं कि हम लोगों के पास कंस्टिट्यूएंसी डेवलपमेंट और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए पैसा नहीं बचा, पर उनकी भी प्राथमिकता क्या है, वाल्मीकि स्कैम, लिकर स्कैम। यही कांग्रेस का खटाखट मॉडल है।